Good afternoon. It's another happy Friday in Ajijic, just off the carretera in Los Sabinos. We have a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open concept kitchen and a garage with a amazing rooftop view of the lake and the mountains. Very modern settings, beautiful furniture, all open concept. Let's go in and have a look. Lots of greenery, nice quiet neighborhood. Let's walk right through the house. See the open concept kitchen, the beautiful ceilings. These ceilings are absolutely stunning. Got open concept living room, dining room here. Big outdoor patio with a barbecue area. And the garden space does actually have a gardener's entrance down the side, which is great because it's an end unit, which is there, so the gardener can get in. It's 2 bedrooms, big master with walk-in closet. So let's take a look at the master. Lots of light, lots of skylights. Again, beautiful ceilings. Every room's got ceiling fans. Garden view, big sliding doors, king size bed size room, so it's good. And we'll walk through, again, lots of skylights. His and hers open concept walk-in closet, and then the master suite washroom, another big skylight in here, lots of storage, and we'll walk back out. Again, the ceilings are absolutely beautiful in this house. I love these ceilings in any of these houses that we show. Again, from the master, here's your open concept kitchen. All appliances, dishwasher. You've got a washer and dryer right off the main hallway. And we'll head over to some more storage here in the hallway. Another bathroom, lots of light, lots of skylights, full-size shower in here, and your guest bedroom, which is queen size bed, lots of storage, and lots of light. So Los Sabinos is 5 minutes west of Ajijic, just outside, very close to Ponchos, so you're good for shopping, very easy commute into Ajijic. Let's go up, walk out here. This is one of the only units that has this. There's a little garden here, all your water facilities and everything are in there, maintenance stuff. And then we've got this one and only little rooftop access with stairs. And let's see what's happening up here. So this has all been tiled, so you have a patio area that you can use here. Current owners don't have any furniture up here, but you can put furniture obviously up here permanently. But we got a little bit of low cloud cover today, but the mountain view is phenomenal. Weather's perfect here again, 26, 28 every day, second best weather in the world year round. If you're interested in seeing this home, give us a ring on our social media at buysell.com or www.buysell.com is our website.